In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Salesforce in dark mode with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're spending long hours on Salesforce every day or just prefer the sleek look of a darker interface, this guide is tailored just for you. We'll walk through each step to get you set up with dark mode, enhancing both your work efficiency and your visual comfort. Let's kick things off with the basics. First, you're going to log into Salesforce. Make sure you have your credentials handy for a smooth start. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the Salesforce dashboard. There, you'll spot the gear icon, which stands for Setup. Go ahead and click on it, and from there, open Advanced Setup. This is where we'll start to get into the meat of the process. Now, within the Setup field, you might notice a search box labeled Quick Find. In this box, type in Lightning Extension and press Enter. Click on the Lightning Extension option that appears. So what exactly is this Lightning extension? Essentially, it's a browser extension designed to enhance your Salesforce experience by consistently rolling out productivity features. Here, you're given the flexibility to choose which features you want your users to have access to. Feel free to explore these features, as it might just improve your overall Salesforce journey. Now, onto the technical part. You'll need to download the Lightning extension specifically for Google Chrome. Typically, a link should be readily available in Salesforce to help guide this process. Once you click the link, it may prompt a redirection confirmation, which you'll want to accept. You'll then see the option to add the Lightning extension to Chrome. Click on that Add to Chrome button, and just like that, the extension is being installed onto your browser. It's important to note here that changes from the Lightning extension can take up to 24 hours to become effective. So, if you don't see results immediately, don't worry, it just takes a bit of time to roll out. Once the extension has been installed and the changes have made their way through, it's time for the icing on the cake: toggling dark mode on. By doing this, you'll transform your workspace into a more visually comfortable environment, making those long Salesforce sessions a lot easier on the eyes. However, do keep in mind that currently, dark mode is temporarily disabled. Salesforce's team is actively working to make this feature available again, so keep an eye out for updates. And there you have it, everything you need to know about activating dark mode in Salesforce using the Lightning extension. This edition promises to boost productivity while offering a more visually pleasing alternative to the default interface. Thank you for joining in today, and keep exploring the limitless potential of Salesforce.